Everyone, welcome back to a new episode. And in today's episode, I'm quickly going to show you how to share your location on WhatsApp. Stick with me till the end and let's jump right in. Firstly, open up the chat or the person that you want to send the location to. Now, after you open up the chat, you'll see a attachment icon right here. You can tap on it and you'll have an option of location right here. Now you'll need to allow WhatsApp to use your location. Tap on continue. Now you can see you have a few options. You can simply tap on share live location or send your current location. If you want to share your live location, when you move your location, the location will also be moved. If you tap on it, make sure that you send this to the person that you trust, or if you want to send the location for one time, you can tap on send your current location and the location that you're in currently will be sent. That's how easily you can share your location on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today's video and I'll be back with more.